But I will put a God first son. When they mighty day, and it's another true story, people want change to them send for Obama. Say them tired for George Bush and him drama. Every day he massage for Osama. Yet he can't find him on the corner. But right now Obama don't kill Osama. Dry your tears for the 9/11 mama. Obama make well them go do you go drama. We need a peace and love in the area. We need a peace and love in the area. We need a peace and love in America. Oh, where they mighty. America. Oh, where they mighty. America. Oh, where they mighty. America. Where they mighty. Any religion you are, we are one. Salam alaikum, Ishala. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. So tell CNN to stop the broadcast, cause we don't need another Osama. I know say Obama must always kill Osama. So think about the future, forget about the lost one. Cause you don't know that me, I have a friend in Afghanistan, Ahmed Zahid. Cause in everywhere I go, I love to have a brother in Senegal, Akon, Haiti, Wyclef Jean. In Nigeria, all the way they mighty. South Africa, hip hop, Angela, America. Oh, where they mighty. America. Oh, where they mighty. America. Oh, where they mighty. America. I say, you don't finish. In Jamaica, in the mansion Paul. In Pakistan, and near Khalid. In New York, oh boy 50 Cent, cause he run New York. In New Jersey, I'm on a pop daddy. All I wanna say is that we need ourselves, cause we need ourselves to make one world, one love. All I wanna see is one love. People want change to them send for Obama. Say them tired for George Bush and him drama. Every day he massage for Osama. Yet he can't find him on the corner. But right now Obama don't kill Osama. Dry your tears for the 9/11 mama. Obama make well them go do you go drama. We need a peace and love in the area. America. Oh, where they mighty. America. Oh, where they mighty. America. Oh, where they mighty. America. America. Oh yeah. Oh no. When am I to know? I said, what I got first son, it's a first son. Yeah. Oh no. Wine. What I got to? Oh no. When. A Duncan Mighty production. Boom. Obama, kill Osama. Don't let it spoil the youth.